I hope I could cut off the leg on the side of inferiority, because when I see many people as a professor, as a graduate school professor myself, when I see so many of my students who are very good in public speaking, I always look down onto myself and I would say, ang daming magagaling. I always look, dami palang taong pwede kong mapagtutunan, and one of that would be you this afternoon, this evening. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. And number two is, I hope I brought my wife, because this is an instant marriage counseling and encounter. So it could have been better if my wife really understands that she's always the talker, I'm always the listener. I think I'm in a good path when I do not talk back. But sometimes really men do understand that sometimes when women said 11 times, we must speak also at least one word out of those, because we also have to express our emotions and our feelings. And then number three is, the inspiring part is, you just validated the character of Engineer and Dr. Vito. They've been very helpful in the community. If I could remember it well, when my wife gave birth to a cesarean, and then with removal of her gallbladder, of all our friends in the civic sector, especially in Rotary, it's only this couple who gave the visit to us in the hospital with the flower. And that really validates, because the one that you mentioned earlier, where most people who are successful are very silent, Engineer Brito is that type, and it only validated because the more that he do not talk, the more he helped the community and of course the young people. And if you hear the alternative learning system, na po na Alfredo, alternative learning for brighter tomorrow. Thank you very much.